Hey everyone, it's Jana Verbakel-Leach, and I've got another great listing to show you today. Now, you are going to fall in love with the interior of this home. It is so highly designed and the finishes are top-notch. But what you might love even better is this lifestyle backyard. Not only do you have a walking path with direct access to the Warbler Woods trails, but you have a fully landscaped and fenced backyard, including a wood-burning fireplace, a Bullfrog hot tub, a covered composite deck, and even a putting green.